see we've got Bing wallpapers happening. But basically what I've done is I've taken an old broken phone and installed Windows Phone 7.8 on it. It's fairly smooth. Got to remember it's a HTC HD7, so you know it's not that highly spec'd. Of course, this is a hacked ROM, so it does have some extras in it, like some Nokia stuff. And things like that, but I'll turn data back on as well. But it is actually working quite nicely. Now, I'd probably call it poor man's Windows Phone 8 at the moment, Windows Phone 7.8. Basically I suppose what we're getting is the UI of Windows Phone 8 with this, but there's actually quite a bit more in the basic 7.8 ROM that's worth having a look at, and so that's what I think we'll try and do at the moment. Now, going through the settings, a lot hasn't really changed, but if we look at the lock and wallpaper settings, what we do is we can actually select a Bing wallpaper or a picture, and we can of course select any picture we want. Of course I've got some saved pictures there. Let's go back. Maybe change it to something I did today. Look, wallpaper, pretty good, pretty simple. But the Bing wallpapers are pretty nice, and they actually change as you go through stuff. Of course, we've got all the extra colours, and some of these accents are, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's a couple of extras in here. We've got the HTC green being added in, and there's a Nokia blue which I've been favouring, but let's just go back to the taupe, dark background. Go back to home. Of course, the major thing you've got is resizable tiles. Now, depending on what accounts you've got working, if we take the filters off, 7.8 gives you the full benefit of those resizable tiles, and like most of this, it's pretty good. It's not as big a change as you would think. I'm still using a lot of basic Windows 7, Windows Phone 7.5, 7.8 stuff, so we haven't got IE 10 or anything like that. And of course, you know, it doesn't do anything for the phone as far as speed goes. So this has actually ended up being a Windows Phone 7.8, but the build number is 710.8858.136, so that was the RTM version that we heard about a little while ago. Again, it works quite well on the HTC, and of course there's some because this is a custom ROM, there's some added in stuff that really has nothing to do with what we're looking at. As far as what will be standard when it comes out. Of course, we've got the new office. Now, I've also got this ability to export contacts to the SIM now. Not sure whether that's a Nokia add-in or not. Now, I haven't set up Facebook and all sorts of things on here yet, so it took me long enough to flash the pretty normal search. Nothing really extra in the camera settings. I think the biggest difference you can see just is in the UI. really getting used to. At this point, not really getting any better performance out of the phone. So, I actually think of it as probably poor man's Windows Phone 8 at the moment. And while it's a nice change, we know that this is a hacked ROM and not original, and probably not what the update's going to push out. I'm going to try and find a clean version of this if I can. See, apps work well on it. Now you've got to remember that I haven't been running all of these today, so there's nothing sort of cached in these. It's pretty much updating as I start. The benefits, well, you get the layout, a few updates, that seems to be about it. Again, I'll come back with more if I can actually find a clean install of this. Because again, I'm